Every day when you scroll through social media, you see AI images. But have you ever wondered if you can make an AI image a reality? I have often wondered if it is possible. So today, I thought, let's test that theory and see if it is possible. This is my interpretation of the pictures. I thought we would take two simple pictures and turn these pictures into living reality. I have applied 2 layers of a pink gel color, but I have also mixed in some fine glitter, just to get that extra touch on the base. Cure the nail for 60 seconds between each layers before moving on to the next step. According to the AI image, it looks like the rhinestone is placed like a sloppy letter S. Here, we will apply different sizes of rhinestone, and I have also applied nail glue, where the rhinestone will be on the nail. When we are happy with the placement, we cure the nail for 60 seconds. To finish the design, I will apply top coat, and then cure the nail for 60 seconds before taking on the next nail design. This AI image was a bit tricky how I would get that edge on the nail design. I chose to apply solid gel nail glue to then be able to apply a thin layer of the pink color. This way, we have got the edge of the nail. When you are happy with the shape of the solid gel nail glue, cure the nail for 60 seconds. To hide the solid nail glue, apply a thin layer of the pink gel color. If you want more coverage, you can apply another layer, but try to paint it thin. Always cure the nail between the layers. According to the AI picture, you should place different rhinestone sizes on the edge of the nail. I have also applied nail glue there first, before applying my rhinestones. When I am satisfied with my placement of rhinestones on the nail, I am going to cure the nail. Last step we are going to do to the nail design is applying top coat and cure. What did you think? Do you think I managed to capture the nail design, or could we have done it better? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. And thanks for watching.